Now the parents can access water right outside their home and release their kids to go back to school. More mothers are having time with their family members because now they are not walking long distances. The young child, especially the girl child, they have access to education through these schools that we have built and through the clean water that we have brought. The other thing we have done for Tana River District also is hygiene and sanitation education. You realize we had a lot of waterborne related diseases, and through this we were losing a lot of mothers and young children. Now we have children living a very healthy life through this program, and we have very healthy children in schools practicing hygiene and sanitation through Team and Team. A community who have access to clean water. Kids don't have to work so hard and miss out school. A community with parents, mothers full of hope in their faces. Kids full of smiles.